Hello Super Squad, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to try this new candy I found in my refrigerator. This. It's called Sour Punch. I don't know if it's the real name, but I've never seen it, tried it, nothing. So, I'm going to try this new candy with you. So yeah, let's get started. So let me open this real quick. Okay, so I opened it. Ooh, this is wiggly, like a sort of jello type. Smells good. Let's try it. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.